There is this side of the devil that many Christians are not aware of. There is a certain character, behavior, and a certain operation of the devil that Christians are ignorant of. You'll understand that the devil, at some point after he was created by God, he got an anointing from God. The devil is anointed. You see, that anointing was never taken away from him. It was simply rather converted by the owner. He remains the cherub, and he still has the anointing that he got from God. The devil is no longer with God, and yet up to date, he carries the anointing that he got from God. So God can give a man of God grace to prophesy, and then he moves away from the man. God can give somebody a grace to lay his hands on the sick, and they recover. And all that is happening in the absence of the giver of the gift. It's not proof that God is present simply because of the presence of an anointing. No. So he can give you prophecy and he leaves you. He can give you power and anointing and then he leaves you. And you are deceived by your own gift. If I couldn't do any miracle by the grace of God, you would say, it's because he tried it now. He can't do it. That's why he's saying that. No.